Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jan, and today I thought of testing the new Bad Girl Bang Benefit Mascara. It's one of the newest products, I guess, and I got my hands on one of them. So if you want to see if this is like worth the hype and worth the price as well, then just keep watching. So that's what the package looks like. I got the travel size one. That's the mascara. The brush of it is extremely long, you guys. So on the package it says bigger, better, volumizing mascara. So I'm really excited to try this baby right here out. Okay, it feels amazing to apply. The brush is not that stiff, because the They Are Real mascara from Benefit is like so stiff that it almost hurts. Oh my gosh, I just lost 2 lashes. Okay. And they were so long, like, can you see that? They were so long, you guys. I love how it applies. It's like so easy and feels amazing. I will give you a close-up now. Okay, so as you can see, it does do a lot to me, right? I think it looks good. It looks long and volumizing, and kind of like the applying process, you guys. And yeah, I think it's totally worth the price as well. I really hope that this is waterproof. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video with me. I think this mascara is totally worth the hype and the price as well. I'm definitely going to buy the original full size as well, because it's just perfect. I think this is my favorite mascara from now on, because like I did use the They Are Real mascara from Benefit like almost every damn day. If you watch my videos, then you know what I'm talking about, and I think this one applies so much better and it looks even better on the lashes as well. So yep. Thanks so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a big thumbs up, please. That will make me so happy. Subscribe to my channel, please, if you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!